So, good morning, students. So, let us start our new concept of class 6, subject mathematics, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is basic geometrical ideas. Okay. So, we have already talked about some of the important concepts about lines, what are all those lines, then we have talked about all those angles and then polygons, isn't it? Then the types of polygons also we have discussed. So, now we will talk about triangle. What is triangle? Polygon with three sides. Now, what is polygon? I remembered. I hope you people have remembered. I remembered. So, polygon, that is simple closed curve made up of line segment, isn't it? So, these are made up of line segment A, B, C. AB is a line segment, BC is a line segment, and AC is a line segment, and it is closed curve and simple also. Is therefore we will call it as triangle. Okay. So, triangle definition I will give a polygon with three sides, isn't it? Polygon with three sides. Now how we'll write this triangle? See, if we write triangle in spelling, no, it will take time, isn't it? And it will take some space also. They will write it as how? Triangle is written as in symbol. I'll write triangle like this. Okay, triangle A B C. Okay, we'll write like this. We'll signify, but we'll symbolize triangle as in this way. Okay. Now, similarly, like the features of polygons, we'll talk about some of the features of triangle. Okay, see, this triangle has also vertices, sides, and angles, isn't it? We'll talk it now one by one. Features of triangle. Let me name it as headlines. Features of triangle. So, first one is sides. How many sides does a triangle have? Three sides, isn't it? This is a side. So, AB is a side. Similarly, BC is a side. And CA is a side, or you can say AC is a side, isn't it? And all those are adjacent sides. See, all are adjacent to each other. Adjacent sides. Adjacent, hope you remember, I have talked about while discussing polygon. I have talked about opposites and adjacent. See, this is adjacent to this, near. This is again adjacent to this. This is adjacent to this. This is adjacent to this, like this, isn't it? Next is vertices. See, these are some of the terms you need to know. Okay, and while discussing polygon, I have already discussed what is definition also, sides, vertices, angles. These are. Now I'll talk about simply the name of the vertices. Okay, here the two lines where suppose let me take example of AB and BC. This line AB and this line BC, where they meet, AB and BC, they meet at point V, isn't it? So V is a vertices. Similarly, line AB and line AC meet at A. Similarly, line AC and line BC meet at C. Therefore, I will say A, B, C. These are the vertices. A, B, and C. These are the vertices. Again, these are all adjacent vertices. These are all adjacent vertices. Clear? Now we'll talk about angles. Angles also we have already discussed. Now, while writing the name of this angle, how I'll write? I cannot write simply A. See, simply A I can write it is, but it is partially correct. Not it is actually fully it is not correct. ये थोड़ा बहुत ठीक हो माना जाएगा, लेकिन 100% राइट नहीं होगा. वाई? बिकॉज देखो, मैंने उस दिन भी बोला था पॉलीगॉन डिस्कस करने के टाइम में, ये भी एक एंगल है, इजंट इट? लेट मी टेक से फॉर एग्जांपल, ये एक एंगल है, एंगल 1. ये एक एंगल है, एंगल 2. सो जब मैं इसका नाम बोलूँगा तो इसका मेंशन करना पड़ेगा अलग सा, ये भी मेंशन करना पड़ेगा अलग सा. सिमिलरली देखो, ये एंगल ए है, ये भी एंगल ए है. तो मैं अगर एंगल ए बोलूँगा तो कोई इसको भी मान सकता है, कोई इसको भी मान सकता है. इसीलिए मैं इसको पूरा मतलब अच्छी तरह से क्लैरिफाई करके लिखना पड़ेगा. सो मैंने उस दिन बोला था नेक्स्ट प्रीवियस वीडियो में कि जो एंगल बीच में होता है उसी को एंगल माना जाता है. सो ए एंगल आई डिनोट करने से हमें कैसा लिखना पड़ेगा? BAC. I'll note it down as BAC. So since A is at the center, then A is the angle. Okay. And जब B के बारे में B का एंगल बोलेंगे तो कैसा लिखेंगे? ABC. B को बीच में रखेंगे. ओके, ABC. तो सेंटर वन इज द एंगल एक्चुअली. ओके, और C को जब डिनोट करेंगे तो कैसा लिखेंगे? ACB लिख सकते हैं, इजंट इट? ACB. इफ़ यू कैन राइट BCA देन ऑल्सो इट इज़ ओके. यहाँ पर अगर CBA लिखोगे तो भी करेक्ट, B बीच में ही रहता है. CAB लिखोगे तो भी होगा, A बीच में रहेगा, इजंट इट? क्लियर? अभी पढ़ेंगे इंटीरियर और एक्सटीरियर. इंटीरियर क्या है इस ट्रेंगल में? इस ट्रेंगल इंटीरियर और एक्सटीरियर मैं एक ही साथ समझा देता हूँ थोड़ा, तो तुम लोगों को एक ही डायग्राम में समझ में आ जाएगा. मैं ये डायग्राम फिर से लेता हूँ. ये ए बी सी ट्रेंगल है, दिस इज ए ट्रेंगल। ओके, इंटीरियर मीन्स जो पॉइंट जो है दो दैट लाई इनसाइड द ट्रेंगल। ओके, इसको हम लोग इंटीरियर बोलेंगे। ये एक ट्रेंगल है, इसका इंटीरियर पार्ट क्या है, ये है ना इसका इंटीरियर पार्ट। इंटीरियर में कहीं पे भी अगर पॉइंट है, चाहे यहाँ हो, यहाँ हो, यहाँ हो, यहाँ हो, एनीवेयर इट कैन बी। ओके, देन आई विल से दीज आर इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स, इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स। ठीक है, व्हेन एवर आई विल टॉक अबाउट एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट, एक्सटीरियर मीन्स क्या है, से फॉर इंस्टेंट ए पॉइंट इज हियर, दिस इज एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट। व्हाई? Because it is outside the triangle. A point, it can be here, it may be here, this is also an exterior point, this is also an exterior point, it can be here, no problem. That means that point that lies outside the triangle we will call, say this as exterior point, and the line that and the points that are inside the circle we will say that as interior point, isn't it? And if a point lies on the triangle itself, then we will say this is on the boundary of the triangle. Okay, I hope you people are clear about the concept of triangles, and if you have any query then you can comment me in the comment section. I'll surely try to make you people understood. Okay, and if you like the videos and if your concept is clear about the videos, please do subscribe my channel and share the video so that others can get the benefit from this video. Okay, thank you.